Towers again. So today's video is going to be kind of a different category than we normally do on this channel. Right now there's a really good price on Amazon for an older generation of their Kindle Fire tablet. And so I did a purchase where I got the Kindle Fire tablet 8-inch model from, I think it's 2018, which is their one generation old now. I guess they're only releasing every couple of years right now. I purchased that and a case. Grand total was less than $60 US. That included, any shipping because it was Prime, and then it also included tax for my location. The Kindle Fire tablet itself was $45, and as of the time of filming this, which is early November, it was still at that price of $45, so you can still pick it up for a good price. But I wanted to give a little unboxing of the tablet so you can see what you can pick up. And then I also, part of that extra $15 was the $8 or $9 that I spent on a case for it. And it is just a simple rubberized case. It's nothing special. It's just to help protect it and keep it safe. So I'm going to put that aside, and we're going to do a little unboxing of the Fire HD8. Now this happens to be going on sale right now for about $45. I think it's $44.99. It is the Fire HD8 with Alexa. This is the ad-supported model, so it does have the ads on the display screen and stuff like that, but it is also the 32 gigabyte model, which means you get 32 gigs of memory, which is not a very common thing on a sub $50 tablet. Typically these run about $90, and you don't usually see them for less than that with 32 gigs in a tablet. So on the back, it gives you the fact that it's got an 8-inch screen. It is 1280 by 800. Pretty common in tablets. Equivalent roughly to 1080p, just slightly lower. Let's see, micro SD slot for up to 1 terabyte of expanded memory, so you can toss in one of those little micro SD cards with, say, 32 gigs that you can pick up for 10 bucks, and it gives you another 32 gigs. Or you can go with larger ones that are up to 1 terabyte. Just keep an eye out. A lot of those 1 terabyte and 512 gigabyte and 256 gigabyte cards, a lot of them are fakes and scams, so be careful with that. It is a quad-core CPU in it with 2 gigs of RAM, so performance should be fairly decent for a tablet. Dual-band AC Wi-Fi, so it's able to hit the 5 gigahertz as well as the 2.4 gigahertz. Front and rear cameras, so you can use it for chatting and you can use it for recording stuff. Doesn't list what the quality of the cameras are on the box. I'm going to assume they're 720p cameras. The rear one may be 1080p, but I highly doubt that it's any better than that. You're not going to see any 4 gig or anything like that. So it does say fast and responsive with HD display. So it's better than 720p, which is what's considered HD. Vibrant HD 8-inch display, 1280 by 800, and powerful quad-core processor with 2 gigabytes of RAM for improved streaming and gaming. Long-lasting battery with USB-C for easy charging, and up to 1 terabyte of expandable storage. That is awesome. So it has already answered one of my questions, which is what type of charging port. USB-C makes it really universal. I'm going to be doing a video shortly on the Kindle Paperwhite, the newest edition. It's available as of November of 2021. It has the older style Android charger still on that model, which kind of sucked. So I believe it's 10th gen. I assume that 11th gen will be out sometime either this year, 2021, or in 2022. And that version should hopefully have a USB-C connection. It says that this tablet is designed for entertainment, videos, games, and web content. Look and sound amazing in vivid HD and with Dolby Atmos. So, just gonna be honest, it's a lot of marketing hype. It should have decent speakers because it's a good tablet, but don't expect it to replace your home entertainment center. Just Ask Alexa. Alexa's built into the HD8. Great for the whole family. Watch, listen, read, and play. It has access to millions of movies, TV shows, songs, Kindle books, magazines, apps, and games, including Facebook, HBO, and Pandora. Watch downloaded videos anywhere with Prime Video, Disney Plus, Netflix, or Showtime subscriptions. Now, my understanding is it also is based off of the Android system, so some Android apps may be able to run on it. There is the Amazon store that has apps. A lot of them are free, so it is restricted Android. It's not just open. There are jailbreaks, but I don't recommend doing that, especially on a brand new device. Wait until it's at least been used for a while and you're okay with it being destroyed, because if you screw up during a jailbreak, you often brick the device, and I'd hate for you to brick your brand new tablet. So I don't plan on jailbreaking this. I plan on using it simply as a basic tablet for trips for the kids to be able to listen to music, watch videos, things like that. And that will be the majority of the use this tablet gets. Now with the Kindle Paperwhite, I know that one I picked up for about, I want to say $50 on a sale similar to this one, and that one's ad supported as well, and I want to say it's 32 gigs, but I could be wrong. But for that one, it's just the newspaper style look to it. I'm actually loving it. I'm going to see about doing a review on it as opposed to an unboxing, because I've already opened it and used it. I did enjoy the fact that it gave a $5 credit. I don't know if the HD8 will, and I won't for this video, but when I do an update video about the performance of it and things like that, the review part of this, then I'll be able to tell you if there was any included credits or anything like that. But let's go ahead and take a peek and see what we get inside the box. So a simple peel, which does show that it's unopened, which is awesome. I love that. If you've watched my other videos, you know that seeing that it's never been opened is a big plus on my stuff. So just this one little packet inside. You get the tablet. Now with Amazon, they do this simple registration where all you basically have to do is turn it on and then log in for the first time, and it registers and activates and sets it up with your account so that you have access to all of your Amazon stuff. It has a USB-C cable, which is awesome. I'm always running short on those. Alexa is happy to help, some basic Alexa commands, and the important safety information. And nice that it includes the brick portion of the charger so you can plug it into the wall. A lot of the newer devices do not include these anymore. They are an additional $10 to $20 charge, and that's awesome that they included it in this model. But like I said, this is the 2018 model, not the 2021 model. So you get that because it's the older model, not because it's a brand new one. It is new as in never used, but it is not new as in the latest and greatest tech. The newer model is most likely an 8-core, and it probably uses the big little, where it's like 6 of the big cores, 2 of the little cores for power efficiency and things like that. So, but that is the basic video that I wanted to do today. Just wanted to give you a little show as to what you get in the box, what you get for about $50, give or take a little bit based on where you live and taxes and things like that. I did notice that the power button is up top. They have a rocker for volume. The charging port is up top, and they do have a headphone jack, which is nice. The Kindle Paperwhite does not have a headphones jack. It uses Bluetooth, which this has Bluetooth as well, most likely either 4 point something or 5.0, and that gives you access to Bluetooth headsets, which I do a lot of reviews on as well, or at least unboxings. And then it has the headphone jack, so you can use wired headphones as well. When you're setting the tablet with the power button up top, which I assume is the top, you have the camera on the left side, and then on the rear, the camera up top on the top left, which makes sense that that would be the top then because of that. So, but for $45 plus tax and no shipping because it's Amazon Prime, if you're an Amazon member at least, not bad for a $45 tablet. So if you are interested in a review of the tablet, make sure you put a comment down below, and I will do a video on like a month or 3 months or something like that, letting you all know how it performs, whether it was stuttery, what I use it for, what the performance of the camera is like, things along those lines. So I appreciate you all watching the video. If you found it useful in some way, make sure you hit the like button down below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button that should be in this general area here so you can keep up to date on our new videos and our community section. You can also reach us at Towers Gray on Twitter. And if you have any comments or questions about myself, the channel, or the product, make sure you leave those in the comment section down below, or hit me up on Twitter and post them there. So thank you all for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.